The Ugandan ICJ judge, Julius Sebutinde, has been in a new interview in our local Daily Monitor newspaper here in Uganda, over a year and a half after her controversial ruling on the Israeli-South Africa case. And while she tried to make herself a victim by crying about how her country disowned her following her ruling, this is a TikTok video of my public response to that article. Dear ICJ Judge Julius Sebutinde, even the Israeli judge at the International Court of Justice didn't, in his ruling, call for humanitarian aid not to be released to the Palestinian people. No amount of you playing victim can remove that one huge stain of hate from your legacy, because the emaciated children we see dying today are what your ruling against humanitarian aid has contributed to. I hope you are watching what you intended for them. Obviously, it is only murderous psychopaths that are enjoying these children's suffering. Being the only judge who voted against all provisional measures ordered by the court, your ruling proved without doubt that instead of serving humanity and international justice as you are paid to do, you actually serve the putrid interests of the brutal monster that is butchering these innocent civilians with savage genocidal intent. Your ruling could actually be submitted as evidence of your own genocidal intent against the Palestinian people. And there is no doubt that something is definitely not right with you, because under the very international law that you are supposed to dispense as an ICJ judge, preventing humanitarian aid from reaching the needy is actually a crime against humanity. And that is what you committed in your ruling that day, a ruling which all the other 17 judges opposed. It was shocking to see your lone criminal position in this ICJ case, where you clearly performed below judicial standards, plus below the humble hopes of those starving children, even contributing to the injustice and crime against humanity that they are the defenseless victims of. How can a judge, a woman, a mother desire in her ruling that a heinous crime against humanity be committed against women and children by deranged Israeli butchers? Ugandans are saying that you abandoned the professionalism of your job and instead started practicing the bigotry, treachery, and dangerous radical extremism of your hidden personal beliefs against the Palestinian people. You will not make the people of Uganda side with genocide. Go alone. Even the Israeli judge knew that voting against humanitarian aid is highly incorrect for any judge anywhere in the world, and he voted against you on this point. That one major grave mistake you made on the global stage, a criminal overreach for which I am surprised that no disciplinary action has been taken against you by the ICJ administration. That act will follow your conscience to your grave. In fact, I am now wondering why you haven't recused yourself already from the case following the brutal, heartless, and professional error that exposed your evil intent and hideous beliefs that school your views and professional performance on this case. What will you be scheming for next in this global case? I am sure that in the eyes of all judges, lawyers, and judicial officers around the world, and in the eyes of humanity itself, your shocking genocidal intent has brought serious disrepute to Uganda at a planetary scale, and you must leave this case to someone else to preside over the ICJ by recusing yourself. Best regards.